Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madam AK and I'm here to show you guys what I got from Ulta along with Sephora. So stay tuned and watch what I picked out. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my Sephora bag first just because it's a little smaller, and you guys know when it comes to Sephora, you literally can buy like 4 different things and it'll cost you like $100, which is literally what happened to me. And okay, so the first thing I got was 2 of the Stila liquid eyeshadow. Is from the Shimmer and Glow collection. The first color I got was Pagali and the other one was Twig. So Sephora knows what they're doing. First of all, they sent me a little sample of what the different colors will look like. It was like a sample of 4 colors, and I remember Twig was one of them, and there was 3 other colors, but it was like little samples of each of the colors. So I was like, let me try out this little sample. And when I say I loved the sample, like it was amazing. Like I don't know what I was doing without these liquid eyeshadows. That's what I'm wearing right now. So this color is in Twig, but I'll link it below. But you guys, Twig and Pagali, I was like, these are awesome. So let me open up Pagali first. I'm probably not pronouncing it correctly, unfortunately, but I'm gonna just hope it's Pagali. So this is the first one. It's like a red, it's like a maroon. Let me say it's maroon. It's kind of maroon and it's very shimmery. Hopefully you guys can see. That's what it looks like. So this is perfect for fall because we all know fall is upon us, even though it's really not in Houston. But these are awesome colors. And the other one is Twig. Twig kind of looks like Pagali, but it's really not. It's more brown. It's more brown. That's what Pagali and Twig looks like. Pagali's on the left and Twig is on the right. But that's what they look like. They're kind of similar in color. But I feel like Twig is a little bit more, it's more on the brown side, whereas Pagali's more on the red side. So those are the 2 Stila items I got. And then I got the Beauty Blender for foundation because I feel like I'm always running out of my beauty blenders. I have like 3 of them right now, and then I have like the Real Technique orange one. But you guys, like I really wanted to try out this one because it says it's for foundation, and I typically use my beauty blender for my foundation, and then I go in with the concealer, and then I go in with the highlighter. I guess that's the same thing, highlighter and concealer. But yeah, so I typically go in with my beauty blender for my foundation. So I'm super excited to see how this one works compared to the black one, because the black one is what I have. And then the last item I got is from Laura Mercier. It's the Ready Set Go Deluxe Mini Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Mini. Oh, it comes with a puff. So cute. So cute. But I got it in medium deep, right? Is that the color? Is that the color? I think it's, yeah, translucent medium deep. I already have the full size one, but because I travel a lot, I was like, it just makes a lot more sense for me to get the mini size one so that I'm not lugging around that heavy products with me wherever I go. So I think this is definitely gonna come in handy. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my Ulta haul. First of all, this is why I really like Ulta. So as you get dollars off of your purchase, it just seems a lot like a better reward system compared to Sephora. I get it, Sephora does like the whole, oh, like you get X amount of points, you get like all these miniature sized products. I honestly would prefer to get dollars off of my purchase compared to getting points and using it for like mini sized samples. So my purchase was originally, it doesn't say, but it was originally like $100. But after using my points that I earned along with the $3.50 off and having all of the items that I had like on sale, it came down to like $73. You guys, I saved like $31 shopping at Ulta, which is why I just ultimately You get it? Ultimately love Ulta. Like, they are amazing, and that's where I buy all my lashes from because I feel like Sephora's lashes is just too expensive for my liking. But let me show you guys the lashes I got. So I think I got them in pairs. So I got 3 different pairs. So I'm just gonna show you one of each because there's no point. I got them in a pair. The first one I got is from Eylure, and it's the Luxe Silk Marquee Silk Effect lashes. And I'm super excited because I've never used this line from Eylure, but I'm super excited to use it. I wonder how striking it's gonna be. I wonder if it's gonna be like a stiff band or not, because I kind of like the stiff bands compared to like the lightweight ones, but that's another story. So the next one I got was again from Eylure. Honestly, all my lashes are from Eylure, and this one, is the Definition number 126 lashes, and this is what it looks like. Hopefully it's focusing. This is what it looks like. This is what the other one looked like. And the last one I got is from Eylure again, but it's the Vegas nail lashes, and this is in Fiercely Fabulous. So that's what this one looks like. So I got them in pairs, so I have 6 of them. And then I also got these NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. I don't think it's really for your body, but I typically see people putting it like as a line in their cut crease. So I'm super excited to get both the silver and gold ones because I've always wanted them. I've honestly never known where to get them from, but I got them at Ulta. And by the way, NYX is currently doing a buy 2 get 1 free sale. I think it's buy 2 get 1 free, otherwise I wouldn't have bought 3 things. But the third thing I got was the NYX Professional Makeup Eye Pencil in white, because I've been loving doing like the little white eyeliner under my eye because I feel like it makes my eyes pop, and I mean, who doesn't want their eyes to pop? Those were the 3 items I got from NYX. They were again doing a buy 2 get 1 free. And you guys, this next thing, it's like been a long time coming. I've always seen them on like all of the beauty pages, and I was like, oh, that looks kind of cute, but I really don't feel like paying like shipping to like get these products. But now Ulta carries this brand, and it's the Juvia's Place. The first product, or the first item I bought, was the Warrior palette. And let me open it for you guys. Let me do like a open. Okay. Oh, I just tore my, it's okay. I just tore it. It's okay, it's just the palette. But this is the Warrior by Juvia. And whoa, this is what it looks like. So it's a lot of neutral golden colors. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna use a Hashi. That's this color here. I never really know how to use colors like that, but I'm sure I'm gonna find a use for it. And I think they were just like an online brand for like the longest, but now they're in Ulta. Ladies, they became in Ulta. I think they were there September 23rd. That's when they became in all of the different Ultas. So I was super excited to see that my Ulta carried this product, so yay. And the other palette I got was the Nubian 2 palette. Let me show you guys what that looks like. These palettes are amazing. Like, look at that. You guys, I cannot wait to use these palettes. Like, it's so fall. Like, this palette, honestly, this palette kind of reminds me of Jaclyn Hill palette. The I think it was like Sea Monster. I can't remember whichever palette that was that had like the sea foam colors, but that's what this green and blue reminds me of. But I'm excited to use these colors because Juvia, excuse me, the Juvia palette, I cannot wait to use used, you guys, this fall, because honestly, yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's all I got for my shopping haul. I got a bunch of lashes. I got 2 new palettes, so I can't wait to feature them on my channel. So you guys stay tuned for that. And then also my travel size Laura Mercier, and then my 3 NYX products. I can't wait to use these as well. I'm sure it's gonna go super phenomenal. But yes, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this really short video. But I hope you guys stay tuned for the next one.